On today's journey of becoming an influencer, content creator, YouTuber, we are going to talk about the steps that it takes to start that journey. This is the secret sauce to staying consistent. First, I'm going to prioritize planning and strategy. I have a couple of different pages in my Notion filled with my calendar, planning, my ideas, and hooks. Today, we're going to focus on finding our niche. Choosing a niche is probably the most underrated strategy and the hardest to figure out. To do this, we're going to write down the top 5 things that we ourselves enjoy watching. Watching on social media oftentimes is exactly what we are wanting to talk to our audience about. Once we have figured out our niches and what they are, we are going to research what industry those niches of interest are. This is going to help us get an idea of what we are researching. Do we need to focus on vlogging, get ready with me, cooking, how-to videos? What does our research need to consist of? It needs to consist of the industry, the type of content, and our target audience. What is our target audience? Whose attention are we trying to grab? We want our audience to feel like we are taking them with us, almost like a FaceTime. We want our audience to enjoy our journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you found these tips helpful.